Okay, hey everyone. I hope someone can help me. Actually, this is the drone. Now keep blinking, but when you turn the remote on, it's actually connected. Well, after that, nothing happened. I'm pretty sure it is synced because, like, it gives you signals like when you mess with the remote, like this, see, or this. Even when you click on this thing. So it is synced, but would never take off. Checked engines are all supposed to be working. Nothing stuck. I don't know. I tried a lot of things, changing batteries for the remote for the drone, everything. It just won't work whatever you do. Even I messed with the remote controller, take it apart, tried everything, nothing working. So if anybody actually can help me with this thing, I would be very thankful.